Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a free intro using Panzoid. So what you're going to do once you're on Panzoid is scroll through and find a intro template that you like. They have many templates here, like some with anime or just like a simple intro that, like, I don't know, like animations, They have Naruto or Sasuke themed, they have Naruto Sasuke, yeah. So I was right. But they have many templates for you to choose from, and if you want something specific, then you can just type or search here. And what I'm gonna be looking for is a Call of Duty intro thumbnail. I said intro. So you can scroll through and find something. This looks actually pretty nice, but I want something with like the Call of Duty character just standing in front of it, or like in a pose, something like this, but not, yeah, this is perfect. So now once you find the template that you want, you can just click on it and then open it in Clip Maker. Now just let's just wait for it to load. And now as you can see, it just shows the text, and sometimes it can have like objects, or what's it called, just like, dang, I forgot the word for it. But anyway, so you, to change the text into saying your name, you click objects over here. But first, let's just view it. Let's view the intro to see how it is. Okay, so I guess I get the gist of it, and that's actually a pretty nice intro. So what you're gonna do is, once you click on objects, there's gonna be a few um, tabs. No, just a few. Some of them are gonna say text. Some might say, like, for example, model, shape. There's a lot of things mostly. There can be particles and stuff like that. And so you just click on the text. There's usually more than one. I don't know why, for some reason this one only has one, but usually there's like 4, 5, 6 of them, and you gotta change them all separately. So now let me just, no accents. You can type in your YouTube channel name or whatever you're making this for, and you can change the font over here. There's many fonts that you can use. There's actually pretty nice fonts here. This is kind of nice, but timeless. Just check this out. I want it to be like a, like this. This is nice. Something that just matches a Call of Duty theme, but this is actually kind of nice. So what I'm gonna be doing here is just change the thickness. So to change the thickness, like from here, as you can see, I'm gonna change the thickness to 801, and as you can see, it just gets thicker, and you can make it as thick as you want. That kind of sounds, anyway. So like, for example, I really like messing around with these, but you can change it to like that. It doesn't really look like anything. I don't think you'd want to do that, but anyway. Now once you have set the thickness for it, you can go to, you can also modify or change where the text is. So let's say I want it to be on the left of the screen. Okay, that's weird. But or the right side. So I guess this is like opposite. But or if I want it on the bottom or the top, you know. I don't know why it's kind of it looks opposite, but I'm just gonna put it back to the center. You can make it however you like. But now I'm gonna change the color because I think I want something more, blue on the blue side. So you can actually put a custom color. So what that is it's basically you choose two colors. So I can make it red and black. Like I can choose two colors and it makes it a darker shade of red. And it's basically like painting. And once you choose two colors, it just mixes it together and you can get a whole new color almost. So now I think colors that's not it. Let me see. Blue. Yeah, that doesn't look that good. I think blue is just good for the banners and the thumbnails. I would probably just use blue mostly for the banner. But now you can change a lot of things here. I'm not gonna go into detail, but I'll probably make a separate video on that if you guys want me to. But this is just the basics, and once you're done changing the name and choosing the thickness or whatever you want to change on the intro, you can just view it one last time to see if you like it. And I actually think that's pretty nice. So once you're done making your template, or once you're done making your intro, what you do is basically go over here where it says download and you can start video render. I do MKV, so I don't know, like I've never done anything else. I choose balanced and MKV. I think that's just the standard, but this is what I do. And you click start video render, and once it's done rendering, you'll see in a bit it'll ask you to it's gonna ask you if you want to download it or if you want to go back and edit it if you're not sure, or if you just want to change something up, you just like, you didn't like it, you're not satisfied, you can just go back and edit it if you want. But I think that was pretty good. I think it was a pretty good intro. So that's what I'm going to be using for my gaming channel. The link will be in the description if you're interested in anything like that. It's just, I do gameplays for Call of Duty Mobile, and that's about it, honestly. But I'll show you guys again once this is done loading. So once your video once your video is finished, it'll ask you to download your video or return to editing, like I said, and all you gotta do is click download the video and it'll start downloading. After like a few seconds, it's gonna be done downloading, and it just depends on how long the intro is and how much space it takes up. But for this video, guys, that was about it. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want more content like this, like how to make intros, outros, thumbnails, banners, and stuff like that, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos soon. Hope you enjoyed, and peace.